Is the UB Pro from SUPCASE going to be a good fit for your new Google Pixel 10 Pro XL? We're going to find out and go over all the features. So starting off on the back, on the top here, you do have camera lens protection. Basically, this piece just pops out over those lenses. So if you drop your phone camera lens side down, it'll actually hit that popped out piece first. So it's going to protect them. It does have a more rugged feel to it. It has a really nice hard material as well. So it's going to be great for any shock or shock absorption. You've got your built-in kickstand that flips out and locks in. You're going to get your vertical and also your horizontal viewing here too. Now, when it comes to the screen side, you do get a full built-in screen protector, so that piece is going to cover that full screen. And then what's great about this screen protector is that you can use your Thumb ID through it, so you can unlock your phone still with your fingerprint. And also included with the UB Pro is going to be a belt clip, so that just goes right onto the back of your phone. And not only is that going to offer even more protection, but you can loop this on your belt or your belt loop, anything like that. And it does rotate to 360, so you can get some good angles with this, or any angle that you pretty much want to get. But overall, if you are looking for a good daily case for your Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, I would definitely recommend the UB Pro. It's been great for other models over the years, and it also has all the convenient and protective features that you are going to need.